welcome to this tutorial on Screencastify. Screencastify is an easy way to record your screen, to give instructions, and then you can share that video with your students. What we're going to do today is look at an overview of Screencastify and all its functions, how to install it, and some basic uses, some examples for home learning, and then how to share your videos. Screencastify is a Chrome web extension, which means you need to access it through the Chrome browser, not Safari, not Firefox, Chrome. You can record your screen, your webcam, and your voice. You can record unlimited length videos, as many as you want. It gives you the ability to trim, crop, merge, and edit video clips. You can add text and use annotation tools, and it saves your video to Google Drive. And lastly, you can share and export your final video. To install it, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and you need to search for Screencastify. So what I'm going to do is just jump into another account here. We're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Screencastify. This is what it looks like. You're going to add to Chrome. You're going to have a couple permissions to go through here. So add extension and it'll start to load. You'll see it load up here once it's installed into where all your extensions live. Okay, pink arrow with the video camera. If we open up another tab and we wanted to get going on recording something, we would just press this and it would ask us to sign in. So we're going to sign in with Google and we're going to use our MyCW account to do that. Next, it's going to take you through some setup and a few more permissions. So make sure that your microphone and your camera are enabled. So you're going to allow. Then you are ready to go. So if we wanted to start recording, for example, this screen, we would just press this button and some options would come up. To record the browser tab, so that would be where you're at right now, so you could move between tabs in the Chrome browser. The desktop would be anything on your computer, so if you were recording something outside of the Chrome browser, you could do that, or just your webcam, which would be a video recording of yourself. So if you're recording something, maybe you're doing a demo, or you have a whiteboard behind you, this would be a good thing to do. You want to make sure that your microphone is on and it's selected. You can try using the webcam. So this is where you have that picture of yourself in the corner. If you want to do that, it's a good way to connect. And then you would press record. To get going with this, I'm going to switch back to my Collingwood account. So let's say I wanted to record this screen. I would press the Screencastify extension. I will say I'm going to record the browser. I'm going to make sure that my microphone and webcam are enabled, and I'm going to press record. You'll get a countdown, and then you are recording. Right away, you will see down here, you've got some functions, so you can pause the video if you need to pause. And you've got some different mouse pointer options. So you've got this focus one and a few others as well. You've also got a pen. So if you wanted to write something out or underline, do an equation for math, you can do that. You can also turn the camera on and off. So lots of great functions there. When you're done recording, what you do is you press stop. stop sharing. There's a few different ways to do that. One is down here. You can pause and then you can stop. Now it's going to take you to this page where you will see a couple different options. Up here, automatically saves to Drive. You can get your shareable link. There are also some things where you need to make sure it is shared with the right people. So unlisted at MyCW is good. You're going to be sharing it with your students. If they don't have MyCW accounts, then you'll need to make it unlisted and then provide the link. Do that. As soon as it is stopped, the video will be automatically uploaded to Google Drive. And if you go into Google Drive, you'll see that there is a folder there called Screencastify. Do here, and your videos will be in there. So that is pretty handy. If you go back to your screen here, there are ways you can share it right from Screencastify. So share to Classroom, publish to YouTube, get an embed code if you want to put it in a Google site, or you can just download it to your computer. Some other options are you can edit it right from this screen, so you can trim the start and the finish. You can also open up the editor. It does take quite a while to load, so you need to make sure that that's loaded. I'm not going to do that right now because it takes some time. Some really good examples of how you can use this are, you can use it for a Google Doc if you have class notes. It's a really good way to share those notes. You can also use different applications on the web. Canvas for Chrome is a great one. So this is a digital whiteboard. You can use this to draw or do math, whatever you want. Once you're here, back at this screen, I think the best thing that you can do is decide how you want to share it. Some of us are using Seesaw, some of us are using Classroom. So whatever you decide, if you do want to use it for Classroom, you can press that link. It'll ask you what class to use, and you can create a question or an assignment, whatever you want. If you want to use it in Seesaw, you would just go to Seesaw and pull the link. So you'd copy that link. And if I were in a class, I would go find that class. I'll go find my name here. There I am here, and I would add the link in here. And that is the video. Okay, so I hope this helps with getting an intro to Screencastify. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.